There's really only 3 diets for you to choose from. Ta'alofa, hello, and welcome back to beautiful American Samoa. I'm Stan Efferding, and today I'm here at Pala Lagoon, nearly a square mile of calm, shallow waters separating the volcanic mountains of Tutuila from the open sea. It's bordered by the villages of Tafuna and Nu'uli. Pala Lagoon is where local residents swim, fish, and boat year-round. A 300-yard reef lies just beyond the lagoon's southern mouth. It creates a natural barrier between the peaceful lagoon and the Pacific Ocean. Now, I bring my family here regularly. It's one of our favorite places to visit here on the island. Welcome back for part 2 of our 5-part series to help you lose weight and feel great. Now, last time I talked about how the best diet is the one you'll follow. Compliance is the science. Now, today I want to simplify things even further. Despite the thousands of diet books and programs out there, every diet really falls into just 3 basic types: CR, DR, and TR. Now, CR is calorie restriction. This is where you weigh and measure your foods, read labels, and possibly log everything you eat into a meal tracker to make sure you're in a calorie deficit. Now, DR is dietary restriction. These diets restrict certain food types, such as how keto eliminates carbs, paleo cuts out everything a caveman didn't eat, and the vegan avoids animal products. Now, TR is time restriction. This is when you eat only during specific windows of time, such as intermittent fasting, like a 16-8 window, or alternate day fasting, or extended fasts. Now, as I often say, there's many paths to the same destination, and any of these approaches can work, and many people combine them. For example, some might track their calories, calorie restriction, and also reduce carbs, dietary restriction, and only eat during an 8-hour feeding window, time restriction. But again, success depends on finding the diet that works best for you, the one that fits your lifestyle, the diet that feels the least restrictive to you, and sticking with it for a long time. In my next video, I'll share what we can learn from the largest study ever conducted on the most successful dieters. Success leaves clues. Now, for coaching or other services, be sure to check out the links below. If you want to learn more about the island, then maybe come sea-doo with me sometime here on the lagoon. You'll also find a link to the American Samoa Visitors Bureau. See you next time. Fa'afatai.